where the Election Commission has warned the Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee that she may face action for disorderly conduct and attempt to exercise undue influence on the voting process on the 1st of April at the Boyal polling booth in Nandigram. Now, responding to Mamata Banerjee's letter, EC said that she sat outside the poll booth at Boyal for nearly 2 hours on polling day as security forces tried to prevent a clash between TMC and BJP supporters outside the booth. The EC said her complaints were no substance, no evidence and factually incorrect, adding in fact that the sideshow was fraught with immense potential to have adverse impact on law and order across West Bengal and some other states as well. And all this was being done when the election process was/is on. There could not have been a greater misdemeanor. Strong words there by the Election Commission. Let me first get in a word from Monideepa and try to understand what exactly is the context of this entire complaint. What could this potentially mean for Mamata Banerjee?
Well, the context is this, to start with. The election day, 1st of April, Nandigram, Mamata Banerjee is the candidate over there. And at around 1:30 in the afternoon, she sets out from home and goes to a polling station at a village called Boyal, where she complains because, she had heard that her polling agent had not been allowed to come into the polling station. That was her complaint, and she wanted to find out why he had not been allowed in. Now, when Mamata Banerjee went to the polling station, as she well can because she is a candidate, and she did go inside alone on the wheelchair, and she was sitting in the corridor outside the actual polling booth, all that was fine. But outside, the situation was fast, rolling out of control. There was an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation between BJP supporters, shouting all kinds of slogans, and Trinamool supporters reacted and came and had the police not put up a barricade over there, a strong one, a human barricade literally, there could have been clashes there that day. Right. Now, that is what the Election Commission is referring to and saying that the Chief Minister, being a Chief Minister, should not have allowed this situation to have taken place, knowing full well that her actions could have provoked trouble in Nandigram, in the state and even in other states.
Right. So that's the context. We also have Vaidyanathan now, our legal editor, joining us to get a sense on what this could potentially mean for Mamata Banerjee. There are several sections mentioned in that letter which Mamata Banerjee has been found in violation of. What does this potentially mean for her?
There are two sections mentioned in Mr. Umesh Secretary Election letter. Strong worded letter. It's a 5-page lengthy letter. It gives right from morning 5:30 a.m. to what happened in the particular polling booth in the Nandigram constituency. So this section 131 basically says that there should be a penalty for disorderly conduct inside or outside the polling booth. So suppose there is a slogan raising, everything comes under this section. So this section basically says the punishment is a fine or 3-month jail term. And another provision also basically says that anyone coming into the booth creating undue influence on voters, that's also a violation. So these two sections have been quoted in Mr. Umesh Sinha's letter to Mamata Banerjee. So the EC letter says it's examining whether Mamata Banerjee has violated the model code of conduct by these sections. So we'll have to wait and see what happens.
All right, so wait and watch over there. A strong worded letter from EC. We see if it's going to translate into any action, if at all. We are talking about Mamata Banerjee, candidate from Nandigram, the sitting Chief Minister.